Hello and welcome to Dad Got This, where we answer the tough questions like, how do you cook perfect bacon on the Ninja Woodfire? And why did the pig go to jail? That second one's easy. He got caught baking and entering. Today we are tackling a user question from about 8 months ago, unfortunately. Got really busy, had a bunch of stuff come up and didn't get a chance to it, but I said I would get to it and I did. We are gonna figure out the best way to cook bacon on our Ninja Woodfire. And what are we gonna do with that bacon? We're gonna make a pretty sweet BLT sandwich. To do that, we need some bacon, and I have two kinds of bacon. This is double thick smoked bacon from Smithfield, and this is extra thick cut bacon. On the back of this thick cut bacon, they have a pretty good idea on how we're gonna do this. They say to take it out, preheat your oven to 375, arrange the bacon in a shallow baking dish lined with foil, and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. That sounds great. We're gonna try two different ways to cook this bacon. One, we're gonna use our air fry basket. And then the other way, we're gonna just cook it right on the flat top and see which one comes out better. After that, we're going to have a lot of bacon. We're gonna eat that bacon in an amazing sandwich. But to do any of that, we have to set up our Ninja Woodfire. First things first, grab your hopper and fill it all the way to the top.
Right to the top.
With pellets. Now, this isn't quite as important on the newer models apparently, because they put the igniter on the side, but if you have the old model, the igniter's up top. Doesn't waste that much pellets, so I just say fill it to the top. Take your pellet hopper, give it the dad shake. The dad shake either compacts the pellets and makes it burn better, separates the pellets and gives it lots of air and makes it burn better, or it does absolutely nothing and makes me feel like it burns better. Either way, I do it every time. For this cook, we're gonna set it to 375 Fahrenheit. We're gonna first start on the air fry setting. Go ahead and turn the unit on, hit mode till you get to air crisp, make sure you hit the Woodfire button, set that temperature down to 375, and we are gonna set this for 25 minutes. I'm just using the basic premium blend pellets. Nothing special, it's just a mixed blend of flavors. These all have smoke on them already. This one is cherry wood smoked, and this is double thick smoked, whatever that means. I'm interested to see if being in the air crisp basket is gonna crisp them up better, or being right on that flat top griddle is gonna give them like a frying effect. I don't know, we're gonna find out. While that's happening, let's make a special mayonnaise for our sandwich. I don't want regular mayonnaise, I want something cool. We're gonna take some Japanese mayonnaise. This is just better mayonnaise in my opinion. Okay, a little more. That looks to be about half a cup. A squeeze of garlic paste. Or two, if you're like me and you love garlic. And then we're gonna make this an avocado mayo. So we're gonna cut this bad boy in half. Very tiny pit on this guy. And avocado. And a little bit of acid to finish it off. Just a squeeze of lime juice. So we're making like an avocado-garlic mayo. Now it'd be better if my avocado was a little bit more ripe, but I'll be able to mash this up, I think. Or if you get impatient, get yourself one of these, little stick blender. They should take care of it. That did the trick. Oh wow, that's good. I do feel like it could use a pinch of salt. Oh yeah, perfect. Let's go stick this in the fridge till it's time to make a sandwich. I just got the notification, our Ninja's ready. Let's load up some bacon. If that's thick cut, what is thin cut? That's ridiculous. Okay. We're gonna line 1, 2, 3 of you guys. And let's get our extra thick. And these look to be almost exactly the same thickness. Maybe a tiny bit thicker. Oh no, they're thicker. They have better structure to them. Let's get this in the Woodfire. Nice wispy smoke. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see how this bacon looks. Not what I would call crispy yet. Let's give it another 10 minutes. 20 minutes. Let's see how the bacon looks. That is some decent looking bacon. I think we're good to take it out. Upon second thought, I'm gonna give it a flip and let it go its last 5 minutes on the other side. I think that'll help crisp up side 2. That's done. I'd say that's some pretty good looking bacon. Crispy, stays solid. Now we do have one from the middle that's got a little bit of a flop to it. It didn't fully cook. So with that setting, depending on how you like your bacon, if you like it really crispy, probably 25 minutes, maybe flip halfway through. And if you like a little bit less crispy bacon, I'd probably go 20 minutes flipping halfway through. And I think that'll get you some really nice bacon. Let's see how it works if we go directly on the flat top, if it changes anything. I did wipe down the flat top to remove most of the extra bacon grease to not give it an unfair advantage. So, sorry, a giant bird just ran by my back patio and scared the heck out of me. I didn't change any settings. I left this at 375 Fahrenheit and I left it on the air crisp setting. The grill's preheated, but I have a question. I wonder how hot the griddle plate gets if we don't have it on grill. Let's find out. So it's got some heat in there. Let's see how it does. No sizzle. Bonus, I can get extra bacon in there. See you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So that's what they look like. I feel like it had more color not directly on the griddle. Let's give them a flip. Don't have much hope for this. Second 10 minutes. Let's see if it's improved. Ooh, it has. We'll give it its last 5 minutes, then it's sandwich time. For our sandwich, we are gonna use a fresh loaf of sourdough bread that I just picked up from my local bakery. It was warm when I got it. So, let's go nice and thick. Ooh, she's chunky. This is gonna be a big boy sandwich. Fresh tomatoes that I put in the fridge to make cold. We're gonna chunk these guys pretty thick also. Those 3 look to be about the right size, and always salt your tomatoes. Do it a little bit ahead of time and they will be way better. All right, that bacon should just be about done. Let's go crisp up our bread. Ooh, super crispy. We're gonna turn the grill off and then turn it back on. We are gonna set it to the grill high setting and hit start. After that, I just changed it to 30 minutes because I want to have some time for this to be able to preheat, and it didn't want to go through the preheat cycle. So just give myself an extra time. Initial observations. Much more solid and crispy. Much more floppy. Now, if you want crispy bacon, solid crispy bacon, I say use the air fryer basket. If you are looking for a softer bacon, you don't like the crispy, crunchy bacon, you can do it on the griddle, save yourself some cleanup, but I think for me, I'd go with the air fryer basket in this setting. Bacon. It's good bacon. Also, good bacon. Now this will probably crisp up a little bit as it dries, but I think I prefer that bacon. Let's toast up some bread. I definitely didn't get the toast I wanted on this bread. I think I just was impatient and didn't wait long enough for the grill to come up to heat. So we're gonna cheat. Just a little browning. Mainly just for color. They're crispy. Time to assemble a sandwich. We're gonna go down healthy spread of our avocado mayo. Tomato. Got some red leaf lettuce. Pop one of those on there. And these actually did firm up quite a bit. And since they're the fresher bacon, I'm going with fresher bacon. It's a decent amount of bacon. Bread. More of our avocado mayo. I got a couple tomatoes left. And there you have one bacon, lettuce, and tomato a la the Woodfire. Yeah, it's a pretty good looking sandwich. That's a pretty good looking sandwich. Oh man, that second bacon has crisped up. With all that out of the way, I guess there's only one thing left to answer. What's a pig's favorite scary movie? Frankenswine. Yeah, pretty bad. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes, cook some really good bacon, and make an awesome BLT. But one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye. This is the part where I thank all of my members. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for your support, and rock on. I don't know why I said rock on, but rock on.